Right, my FK2 needs to look a little bit more aggressive. At the minute it looks perfect, but it just needs a little bit something extra. So what I'm thinking is buying a low line kit and a boot spoiler. I think it's going to just set the car off. So they come in carbon fibre, textured, or gloss black. I got to do gloss black because there's no carbon fibre on the car. There's nothing textured on the car, so it looked weird having that on there. So front splitter, side skirts, rear spats in gloss black from one company. And there's another company that do these boot spoilers. They do a lower and an upper. I think 2 would be too much. So I'm going to order the boot spoiler in gloss black. That way it'll all match. The car's finished. And there'll be no more content on this car. Wow. I do want to take it to the Nürburgring, so fingers crossed. But look, this company, Ultimate Customs, do a full kit for £348.30. That's for the low line kit. And then this company, Maxton Designs, do the boot spoiler across there for £129. So I'm going to order all that now. It says here delivery time 1 to 3 working days once dispatched. So when it turns up, we'll get the car on a drive, get it fitted, and see how it looks. So I'll catch up with you all when the postman comes. It's a couple of days later, but old postman Pat's been. Let's get it unboxed and see what we're dealing with. Front splitter. Front splitter. Side. Rear spats. And yesterday, the top spoiler, the boot spoiler came, so I put it in here just to keep it safe. So this one literally sits on top there like that. Obviously we'll stick it down. I think we'll get the car out, get it on a driveway and get all this on. Let's do it. Right, got the car at the garage. I've got it all laid out so I can see what I'm gonna fit first. I'm gonna do the rear first, this is easier. I'm gonna put the rear spats on. I'm gonna jack it up a little bit just so I've got a bit more clearance to get my impact driver underneath, put the screws in. Then I put that on, then I'll probably do the side skirts. Don't know how I'm gonna fit that with the jack on it, but we'll figure that bit out later on. And then I'll do the front splitter. But it's all there ready to go. Let's get it on. Just gonna bring it up just enough. I don't want the wheels off the ground really. I've chopped the front. I just wanna bring it up just to give me a little bit room to get my elbow underneath. I think that'll be perfecto. Right, this should be really easy. So we'll start on this one first. Give it a quick wipe, make sure everything's clean. Now really, this should line up somewhere around there. I want about 5mm that side. Oh, a bit too close that side. So you've got to get this gap spot on. Just a couple of mil each side. And we've got to bring it forward enough so we don't see the tape underneath. So I reckon somewhere about there. Couple mil that side, couple mil that side. So if I mark in the middle, so that badge there basically lines up with the Honda badge. So I just put a little pencil mark there, just so I know there. and there. Right, let's give it a go. This comes with a tape already on it, so this is nice and easy. Just literally pull this off and stick it on. But obviously you only get one chance at this. So if we cock it up, there is no retake, well, if I don't push it down, it should be alright to pull back up. But just take our time. Right. Let's not cock it up. So it's about there, wasn't it? That's the pencil line there. 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 And there. Push it down. Well, we're committed now. 2 mil that side. Couple mil that side. Didn't like the way that was sitting. Let's try that again. So you do get 2 takes at it. That's better. 2 mil that side. Sits there, sits there, sits there. That's better. I thought I cocked it up then. That's better. Now it can stay there. Let's pull that off. That looks spot on. Let's get rid of that little bit of pencil mark. That is better. Look at that. Can you see how it just flicks up? Look at that, that's better. Much better. Right, let's start the rear spats. It should just be a case of sitting where it's gonna sit, which is about there, like that. Just gotta make sure you line it up so it lines up with that rear bumper. So somewhere like that. I'm going to put one more screw there. I've got one there, one there. I'm just going to put one in the middle there. Just to make sure it holds on tight. There you go. Job's a good one. Obviously, make sure you don't over tighten the screws or you'll be splitting the plastic. That's that one done. On to the next one. Right, same for this side, just line it up. This is definitely going to be the easiest part of this kit. So look, line that up there, then you can see it or not, the bumper. Get it all lined up nice, just hold it there. Nip the first screw up. Now this kit has come with these little stickers. Now usually you put them on, I think, the side skirts, but I'm going to put them just down here where it's nice and discreet, but just finishes it off, I think. Doing this on your own could be a little bit tricky with the side skirts. So what I've done, I've got another jack that's just holding that side skirt up, and I'll start this end and get my screws and work my way along. Otherwise, really, you need somebody to hold that end up to make sure it's level. But all you do is get this in line with that front bit, and then the rear bit lines up with the actual side skirt itself. So just get another jack, support it, and it make life a lot easier. Right, let's get the rest of these screws in. I'll probably do all this. I won't like it. I'll take it back off. But it does look nice. Just gives it a little bit more of an aggressive look. Because even this is on standard springs, and there's quite a gap between this and the floor. So hopefully, I don't want to lower it or nothing. So hopefully, this gives the illusion the car's a little bit lower than what it really is. Anyway, let's crack on. Nice. Right, I should be able to move that jack now and get... Actually, I'll put a screw in the end there first, move that jack and put another screw there. That's what I do. That should be it. Job done. Right, that side skirt's on. So rear spoiler, rear spats, one side skirt's on. I've got one side skirt left and the front splitter, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. It's getting a bit late now, but you can sort of see how it's going to look. I just think it just gives it that little bit of more of an edge, and people think, oh, it's going to be low to the floor now, but look, you've got plenty of space here still, so it's not low to the floor at all, even though it's called a low line kit. But I think with that top spoiler, the rear spats and that one just looks that little bit more aggressive. But anyway, I'll get it finished tomorrow and I'll do you a full walk round. See you tomorrow. Right, it's the next day now. I did come back out last night and fit that side skirt, but you saw me do the other one, so there's no point in filming that. So what I've done, I've just finished work. I've jacked that side up to give me a bit more space on the front. This jack, I got the splitter just balanced in on. So hopefully I can come round here, put the screws in this one first, and then do the other side. I work my way around with the screws, and that'll be it done. But I really do think this body kit suits this car. Just gives it that little bit of a nice look. But anyway, we'll get this fitted, then we'll have a look around it. There, like that, looks spot on. I think I spent this whole video laying on the floor, haven't I? But, you know, needs must. I think there, it sits flush with the bumper, and that looks spot on, so we'll fit it there. Yeah, buddy. My mate's just turned up, so you can hold it for me. What? I can't hear you, mate. I've got to hold it there like that. Can you support it? Just literally there. Oh, there be. That's it. Round about here if you can, mate. Just hold it there. There, that's it. Right. Keep to me a bit. To me. Oh, right. Go in a bit, mate. Right there, like that. I think there. Yeah. Got that? Yeah. There. Got that? Yeah. I keep moving it forward then.
Don't line up with that sticker over this side, though.
What sticker?
Sticker on your finger, ain't you?
Oh no, that's how it came, mate. Hold it there a minute. That's the ticket there, mate.
Yep.
There, like that. Right, just hold it there, mate. Nice when you got extra pair of hands, isn't it? I was using that jack to jack it up and balance it. Right, there, Stephen.
Yep.
Ugh. Let me get him going. What's it like? Working professional. Right. I've got to get this right. Ah. There. Right, you don't move. That's it. Beautiful. Let me get one on the other side, and then I'll put one in the middle. Then I can go along putting the rest in then. All right?
I'm all right, mate. It's everyone else, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, mate. Right, I reckon there, like that.
Yep.
Let me get him going. Fucking jackpot.
Sit forward a bit more. Oh no, there's not a lot there, is it?
What's that, mate?
Oh yeah, that's why he sits there.
Yeah, that's it. Hold it, Matt. I'll put one in there while you're there. And then I will relieve you of your duties.
Right there and there.
Why are you rushing me? Hey, up.
What's that?
Drop the end bit. Always falls out, doesn't it, mate? So I reckon if I put one just where your hand is, that's it, you hold it there, I'll be able to do the rest then. I know you're dying to get home. That's it, it's all done now. That lip looks spot on now. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up very well, but all the lines just literally line up perfectly. If I stand from the other side as well. But what I have noticed is when you get in and out, you've got a little bit of a step now. So when you get out, you be careful you don't kick that. But if I come back here, you better see the whole effect of it from that angle there. So we've got the top bit there, spats, side skirts, and can you see that front splitter from there? I don't know, hopefully you can. But there we go, she's done. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. Thank you to all my subscribers, the channel's getting there now. Next week, I'm going to centre parts for a week. I'm going to do a little video of centre parts because it's a lot of money for what it is, and people always say, is it worth going or not? So I'll do a little video on that. And when I'm back, the GT4 is ready, so I'll go pick it up, put it back together, and do a video on that. I'll catch you on the next one. Drive safe.